Hey, it's been a while since we did a video like this. It's Saturday today, which means we finally have a free day to hit the flea market. Personally, I've been really thinking about re-upping on jewelry for my website. I would really like to get more pieces on there. One of my takeaways from the pop-up was people really responded to the accessories and the small items that we had on the table, so I'd really like to re-up on those. It's actually a heat wave here in LA right now, so we need to get in there and be out by noon or it's gonna be like 97 degrees or something. Today I'm wearing a 70s Yamaha motocross jersey. And I know it's like, why are you wearing a long sleeve when it's gonna be in the 90s? But I just wanted to keep my arms covered. So sick. Is that a butter dish?
Oh yeah. Actually, yeah.
Like this ice cream used to light up. What's actually crazy is this market is usually filled up with rows where you see these parking spaces, and because of the ice raids, a lot of vendors just don't show up anymore. So I'm just gonna show you. Look at how many vendors are missing due to that displacement.
This is crazy.
Or the fear of coming here. Still pretty lively on the left, but you can just imagine how many people aren't here right now. Oh, I love that.
Right?
With the little starburst, that's a good one. Okay, love it. An R.
I get that for you.
You already know.
Yeah.
Or, oh, actually, there's a lot of good stuff in here.
What is this? Can you open this one? It's not a bracelet, so very.
Necklace. I love that.
That's really nice.
Wait, what is? How much is it?
3 for 5.
Oh, done.
Yeah. This is cute.
Oh, gracias.
Gracias. Tengo demasiadas cosas.
These look like you.
Which one? I was holding those. I was holding those and debating. That's cool.
Yeah, for sure. You buy your girl some of these.
Those are going straight to
To the boys, the
yeah,
Warhammer
to the lair.
boys.
Yep, there you go, girl.
Yeah, actually, I thought you'd love this.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, girl.
Okay, I like this one.
Are these dollar buckles? Okay, let's do the review. Yes and no.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Clip on, maybe.
Yes.
This, maybe. These, yes.
Yes.
What else?
Maybe.
The girlies.
I think this is a yes.
Oh, I love this one.
I think this is a yes. Yeah. Do you like this one or the two?
It's kind of cool. Kind of reminds me of Homer.
Right? It's
Frank
cool.
Ocean Homer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
I think this is really pretty. Very like mid-century.
Do you like those girls or these girls?
Let me see how many I have.
I'm like these. I'm like less obsessed about.
3.
Ooh.
2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you want to grab 2 more?
10, 11.
Yeah, which one do you think?
Yeah, you like the girls,
I
no?
like the girls, I just don't like this.
Oh. Okay, why don't you get a last pick?
Oh, this. No, it's chipping. Inception.
Feeling much better now that we have this drink. Believe it or not, we're like almost out of vendors to look at. So we're gonna hit this last row. We already scored on jewelry, but let's see what else is kind of lurking. How old do you think this is?
I released from like the 50s.
I got it.
Ooh. So it's in really great condition and it's like heavy.
It's beautiful.
Right?
Oh, that's a nice clasp.
It's a nice clasp.
Satisfying clasp.
Are you done?
Yeah, you can get those. I'll just poke around a little more. In the 1950s. Listen to me and take my advice. A good man is hard to get. I don't hook, so don't hook twice. Do you remember these old Halloween yard signs?
No.
No?
No, I never saw those in Puerto Rico.
They're from 2000.
I was in Puerto Rico.
Give a shout out to Puerto Rico.
With Puerto Rico, mi gente latina. Little did you know.
Impromptu trip. We're driving home a little bit sad because we ran out of things to buy, and we see this Island Pacific supermarket. If you guys didn't know, I'm Filipino and I'm from Hawaii, so this is my jam. I'm a lot of things, but one of the big ones is I'm Filipino. So let's go. Oh my god, it's a beach market. There's a food court.
Look at the fish. French
Oh
vanilla.
my god. A matcha. Okay, those are great. No way are they gluten free.
No.
But these cones are so cute.
Look at the milk.
This should be the
donut.
standard.
Wait.
This should be how we sell ice cream cones. Look at that. Okay.
Wait, come this way. Look at the viral. Mango, peach, another one.
She
What's
wants
that
these so
one?
bad.
I want these so bad. Can't have these, but
They don't
this,
sell them in singles. That's gonna.
I've never seen them. I mean, we're not one person.
She goes, we're not one person. Which one would you get? Lemon?
No,
Mango?
mango. Peach seems weird. I've never heard about the. I've heard about these two, the peach and the mango. Never the lemon. Okay. Which one do you want? I'm gonna put this shit inside out.
Alright, we're going for it.
Do you want one kind of
Pick it. This is the experience.
Ow.
It's
They
pokey.
prickly.
Yeah, they have scales.
Whoa.
Okay, which one? You want this?
Yeah, I think so. From underneath.
Oh my god.
Right? Feels right?
Thank you for giving your life for us.
Yeah, it poked me. Look, I'm bleeding.
Yeah.
Gracias.
I'm loving this place. We got sushi grade tuna. We're getting a fish cleaned and fried for us right now for lunch. And you can pick anything here. We really scored today. Look at this assortment. Jewelry, accessories, and trinkets that we were able to scoop up. Ooh. Keep this one. It's the flower frogs. I found this one. This Max Factor. Is it a compact? Open it.
A little. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't want to touch that. This is a B.
Do we get an R too?
Yeah, for reach. Oh yeah.
Like a date on the back too.
Oh yeah.
Love that one.
Yeah, this is a cool
The website.
bracelet. Classic. The little starburst. Yeah, the bubbles are cool. Like we could still do a whatnot show.
Right. Spaghetti.
Oh, I thought these were stunning. I want to check this one with the UV light. This is really cool. These are all hat pins.
Taught me about these, so I kind of knew they were all.
This is really cool. This one is fabulous.
So, what do you guys think? What would you be grabbing if you saw all of these? Belt buckles, earrings, statement pins. Do you like animals, regional motifs, floral? Or are you like into abstract? There's really something for everyone. Look at that tail.